Guys, welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can sign up to GoCardless. So to do that, just open any browser and type in GoCardless sign up, and then you'll see this link over here. Just tap on it. You can type in your business name and its location, your business type, your email and password. Then agree to the terms and then tap on sign up. And then you'll be able to sign up to GoCardless. So I'm going to type in, you can choose either it's a charity, limited company, sole trader, partnership, or it's a trust. I'm going to tap on the first one. Now just type in your email. Now create a new password. You can either choose the one that the Google has made for you, a very strong one, or you can also choose your own password. Now agree to the terms and tap on sign up. Now you have to check your email for a code. Just copy the code and paste it over here and tap on continue. Now just tap on next and now decide the goal. So you can choose anything that you want. You can choose this one or this one. Tap on next. And then you'll be given an instruction on how it works. Tap on next. Next. Again next. Then you'll be given this package option. You can choose any package that you want. The standard one, the advanced one, the pro one, anything that you want. And then you'll be able to sign up for GoCardless. You can see I've signed up to GoCardless. You can tap on this GoCard dashboard and then you're on the dashboard. So guys, that's how you sign up to GoCardless. If you found this video helpful, leave us a like and drop a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.